Michael has been sued by Lakeside Hospital for an unpaid medical debt, a breach of contract. He has already responded with a motion for extension of time, but he wants to upload the filing to his Courtroom5 account. When he does, Sylvia automatically prompts him with training on some options for responding. He can learn more about his options by viewing lessons in the Learning Center. Now that Michael has evaluated his options, he decides to file a motion to dismiss the breach of contract claim that Lakeside Hospital has filed against him. He creates that count, breach of contract, in Argument Builder and finds that there are 4 elements. He has reviewed the complaint and created an event for each of the facts alleged in that complaint. For each element, he can now attach one or more of those events to the element to see if the element is supported by facts in the complaint. So he has found an event to support the first element. He's found an event to support the second element. He believes there may be evidence available to disprove that particular element. And so he uploads documents that he thinks might prove or disprove that particular event. He finds an event to support the third element of the complaint. But there is no event that would support the fourth element. So he's going to file a motion to dismiss the complaint based on its failure to state a claim, because one of the required elements of the hospital's breach of contract claim lacks factual support. Now, Michael has to find support in the law for his motion to dismiss. He uses the laws tool to search case law in his state of Illinois. He's looking for appellate opinions that back his argument, which is that Lakeside Hospital failed to state a claim. Michael begins with the keyword, motion to dismiss. As you see, there are more than 30,000 cases related to motions to dismiss. Michael adds failure to state a claim to the keyword to narrow the search results. Then he adds breach of contract. This leaves him less than 3,000 cases to read. He'll likely read only a few of those cases before finding the support he needs. He quickly finds the case of Costa v. Stevens-Adamson in Illinois, which he believes will support his position well. He's discovered facts in this case that are similar to his case, so he bookmarks it and explains why he's saving it so he doesn't have to repeat that search. Now Michael is ready to write his motion to dismiss and file it with the court. He selects the motion to dismiss template from the Documents tool, reviews information about it, and gets started. Michael's first step is to choose how he's going to serve Lakeside Hospital with the motion, and the date he'll serve them. Then he writes the introductory paragraph as well as the demand for an order. Of course, his demand is for the court to dismiss the hospital's claim. Michael also states the facts from his Argument Builder analysis that he thinks are relevant to the court's decision. He also lays out his argument for dismissing the claim, borrowing language from the case law he's found. He reviews a PDF version of his document to make sure the caption is correct, his signature is correct, and so on, and it's finished. Michael can now download and file his motion to dismiss into the court.